In this video, I'll show you whether you can disable the camera from the lock screen on your iPhone 8 Plus. First, it's important to know that iPhone does not include an official setting to disable the camera swipe gesture from the lock screen. If your iPhone is locked, you can swipe left to open the camera. However, this only gives access to the camera. It does not allow someone to view your existing photos, videos, messages, or other personal data without unlocking your iPhone. So, if you're looking for a setting to turn off the camera shortcut or disable the swipe left camera gesture, that option is not available on iPhone 8 Plus. If your goal is to protect your privacy, the good news is that anyone using the camera from the lock screen cannot access your photo library unless your iPhone is unlocked with your passcode, Touch ID, or Face ID on supported models. So there's no need to worry about your personal data. That's it. This is how the lock screen camera works on iPhone 8 Plus. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.